Attempt number 2 for the video. 469 Slippery Rock Way for the O'Neills. My last video, which I will include on here. Did get cut a little short. Didn't realize it stopped when the foam fell when I was hammering. So we're going to do this again now on the front side. And the last one was on the back and it showed that it had failed. This is our shingle that we're going to replace right here. When creased, surrounding shingles. Don't have any other damages to show them. So we're going to see what happens when we remove and replace the shingle. I am by myself, so have a little grace for me. It's not exactly the easiest thing to do, record yourself on a roof. Again, why I am now doing a video number 2. So here, let's do this thing. Let's see, that looks pretty good. Ooh, we're slippery. Alright. You can see we've got this one pulled out. We did have some tears occur during the removal of that shingle. Don't appear mat transfer. I don't see any on this shingle now. So right now we got it removed with a couple tears, and it's time to pop the new one in. I'm gonna cut the shingle to fit real fast. All right. Now let's change. I need my hammer now. There we go. I'm not having much luck on those. 1, 2. All right. These popped right off the nail heads. Oh. We got that nailed in there. You can see how brittle that shingle is. It's staying elevated off of the roof. There's hardly any pliability left in that shingle. You can see, of course, where we had some of these tears. Tear. And then we can see that crease. There's light now, but as this rain starts to come again, these granules will wash out. There'll be a very distinct crease line right there. So now that we've done this on the front and we've done this on the back, we had damage occurring 2 times. So it's my determination that this roof is not repairable. All right, this is Surfside Roofing here at the O'Neill property, 469 Slippery Rock Way in Calabash, North Carolina. We're getting ready to do one of the repairs on the roof. As you can see, we have a creased shingle here that I'll be replacing. You can see there's not much going around the surrounding shingles. This is what I'll be replacing. So I'm going to videotape this. I am doing this by myself. It's not the easiest thing to do, record a video on the roof by yourself, so bear with me. Go. Oh, that's usually how that goes. All right, and I've got my roof snake here. Alright, I gotta pause this. I left my razor knife in the truck. Alright, we should be good to go again. There we go. That thing just did not want to fit up there. Just got done nailing and saw that my phone had stopped recording. Just getting ready to put caulk on this shingle. I've moved so many granules doing this. This roof's getting slippery as can be. So as you can see, there is some creasing up on the surrounding shingles that I need to manipulate to get this new shingle in. The shingles aren't having a lot of pliability left in them, and you can see it's faint from somewhere that granular loss is, but after 1 or 2 more rains, all of that'll really wash out. Like I said, my phone did stop recording. I've got another shingle. I'm gonna do one more repair just so we can determine that this roof is in fact irreparable.